Hello, here I will explain hardware and computer material. Hardware. Definition of hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Example of hardware: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU or central processing unit, and printer. 2. Types of hardware. 1. Input device. Definition: an input device is a hardware component that functions to enter data, text, image, sound, or command into a computer system to be processed. Main function: convert information from the outside world into digital signal, provide instruction to the computer, bridge the gap between the user and the computer. Definition: a process device is a component responsible for processing, calculating, and handling all data received from input device into meaningful information. Main function: access program instruction, perform mathematical and logical calculation, coordinate all computer components, manage memory and temporary data. 2. Output device. Definition: an output device is a hardware component that functions to display or deliver the result of data processing from the computer to the user. Main function: present processing result in an understandable form, convert digital signal into physical form or display, provide feedback to the user. Storage device. Definition: a storage device is a piece of hardware used to store data permanently or temporarily, either inside or outside the computer. Main function: store the operating system, program, and user data, keep data from being lost when the computer is turned off, provide workspace for data processing. A processing device is a piece of hardware on a computer or electronic system that functions to receive, process, and manipulate raw data entered via an input device, such as a keyboard or mouse, into the desired information before being displayed on an output device, such as a monitor. 3. Input and output device. Input devices are hardware devices used to enter data or instruction into a computer so that they can be processed. Example of input device: keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and webcam. Output devices are hardware devices used to display or produce the result of data processing from a computer. Example of output device: monitor, printer, speaker, projector, and handphone. Difference: input device send data to the computer, while output device present the process information to the user. For example, when you type using a keyboard input device, the upper of the monitor or output device. Core, processor, and memory. Processor CPU, central processing unit, is the main component of a computer that processes data and executes instructions. It is often called the brain of the computer because it controls and coordinates all system operation. Memory. RAM, random access memory, is a temporary storage are used to hold data and programs that are currently being used by the processor. The more RAM a computer has, the more application it can run smoothly at the same time. Relationship between processor and memory. The processor performs calculation and executes instruction while memory provides quick access to the data and program needed for two tasks together. They determine the overall performance and speed of a computer. Storage media are devices used to store data and information either temporarily or permanently, so that can be accessed and used later. 1. Hard disk drive or HDD. A hard disk is a storage device that uses magnetic disks to store data. HDDs offer large storage capacities it relatively low cost, but they are slower than SSD. Two solid state drive. An SSD is a storage device that uses flash memory chips and has no moving parts. SSD provides faster read and write speeds are more resistant the physical shock and consume less power than HDD. Flash drive, also known as a USB drive, is a portable storage device that uses flash memory and connect through a USB port. It is commonly used to transfer data between devices, CD or DVD. CD, compact discs, and DVD or digital versatile disc are optical storage media that use laser to read and write data. SCD typical storage up to of data while a DVD and storage about or more. Conclusion, it is HDD, SSD, flash drive, and CD, DVD are all storage media used to save data. They differ in terms of technology, storage, capacity, speed, and use. Computer is an electronic device that receives data as input, process it according to instruction, stores it, and produces information as output. A computer consists of hardware, software, and user working together to perform various tasks such as creating documents, browsing the internet, managing data, and running applications. Main function of a computer. 1. Input. Receive data from input device. Processing. Process data using the processor. Storage. Stores data and information. Output. displays the process result to the user. In summary, a computer is a drive used to process data into useful information efficiently and accurately. Okay, brief history of computer. The history of computer began with simple calculating device and evolved into advanced electronic machines capable of processing large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Over time, technological development have made computers smaller, faster, and more powerful. First generation computer. First generation computer use vacuum tubes for processing and magnetic drums for memory. They were large, expensive, consume of a lot of electrical and generate significant heat. An example is the ENIAC. Second generation computer Second generation computer replaced vacuum tubes with transistors. This made computers smaller, faster, more reliable, and more energy efficient. They also began using assembly languages and high-level programming languages. Third generation computer. Third generation computer use integrated circuits (ECIs) which combine multiple electronic components into a single chip. This increases processing speed, reduces size, and improves reliability. Operating systems also become more advanced during this period. Fourth generation computer are based on microprocessor, which integrate thousands or millions of transistors onto a single chip. This computer are smaller, more powerful, and more affordable. Modern personal computer, laptop, and smartphone belong to this generation. Conclusion: the development of computer from the first to the fourth generation has led to significant improvement in speed, size, and reliability and functionality, making computer an as essential part of everyday life. Okay, main components of a computer. A computer system consists of their main components that work together to perform tasks efficiently: hardware, software, and brainware. 1. At the hardware. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched and include devices used for input, processing, storage, and output. Example: keyboard, mouse, monitor, processor, printer, and hard drive. Software. Software is a collection of programs and instructions that tell the computer how to perform specific tasks. Software enables users to interact with the hardware. Example: operating system, word processor, web browser, and antivirus program. Brainware. Brainware refers to the people who use, manage, and operate computer systems. Without brainware, hardware and software cannot function effectively. Example: computer user, programs, system analysts, and IT technicians. Conclusion: hardware provides the physical component, software provides the introduction, and brainware operates and manages the system. These three components must work together for a computer to function properly. Okay. Types of computer based on shape and function. Computer can be classified based on their shape and function. Each type is designed to meet different user needs. 1. Desktop computer. A desktop computer is designed to be used in a fixed location, such as a home or office. It consists of separate components, including a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit. 2. Laptop. A laptop is a portable computer that combines all essential components into a single device. It can run on battery power, making it convenient for use in different locations. Tablet. A tablet is a lightweight and portable computer that uses a touchscreen as its primary input method. It is commonly used for browsing the internet, reading, and multimedia activities. Server. A server is a powerful computer designed to provide service, data, or resource to other computers over a network. Servers are commonly used in business, website, and data center. Supercomputer. A supercomputer is the most powerful type of computer capable of performing extremely complex calculation at very high speed. It is used for scan-feedly reservoirs, weather forecasting, simulation, and artificial intelligence. Conclusion: desktop computer, laptop, tablet, server, and supercomputer serve different purposes that vary in size, portability, processing power, and intent use, allowing users to choose the type that best fits their needs. Benefits of computer in daily life. Computer play an important role in everyday life by helping people perform tasks more efficiently and effectively. They are used in many areas, including education, work, communication, entertainment, and business. 1. Education. Computers support learning by providing access to online resources, educational software, and virtual classroom. Students can research information, complete assignments, and participate in online learning activities. Office work. Computer help employees create documents, manage data, prepare presentation, and perform calculation. They increase productivity and make office tasks faster and more accurate. Communication. Computer enable people to communicate through email, video calls, social media, and messaging application. They make it easier to stay connected with others around the world. Entertainment. Computer provide various forms of entertainment such as watching movies, listening to music, playing games, and streaming online content. Business. Computer help business manage operation, store, record, track sales, process transaction, and communication with customer. They improve efficiency and support business growth. Conclusion: computers are valuable tools. They improve learning, work, communication, entertainment, and business activities. Their facility makes them an essential part of modern daily life.
Audio Jungle.